I shouldn't be saying this, but finding a modern 4-bedroom home with a 2-1 rate buydown in Inman is almost unheard of. Welcome to 570 Newcut Meadows Road, featuring over 2,100 square feet and a dramatic 2-story foyer as soon as you step inside. The open concept layout includes a massive family room flowing into a chef's kitchen with quartz counters, linen shaker cabinets, and a center island. Upstairs, you get a versatile flex loft, perfect for a media room, playroom, or home office setup. The private owner's suite features a spa-inspired ensuite with dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and a huge walk-in closet. Outside, enjoy an expansive 0.42-acre yard right across the street from Holston Creek Park's trails, sports fields, and disc golf. Best of all, the seller is offering a 2-1 rate buydown to lower your interest rate and make your monthly payment significantly more affordable. 4 beds, 3 baths, rate buydown savings, and a prime location. Tap the link in the description below to get property details or DM us right now to book your private tour before it's gone.